Hello everybody, this is Chef Angelica. I am making amazing mushroom gravy. I wish you could smell the mushroom combination I have in here. It smells so wonderfully. It's got that umami flavor and scent. It's going to be incredible. I have a mix of chopped baby bellas, which are also called cremini mushrooms, porcini, and whitecap. And that's cooked away in the beginning with garlic and shallots and some lovely olive oil to give it some richness. I added some oat milk, and I have some vegan butter in here and some fresh herbs, chopped fresh rosemary, sage, and thyme, which is an amazing melange of herbaceousness that goes into here, and it's really going to give it a subtle, lovely layer of flavor. I'm going to cook this down. It's starting to thicken. I made a roux with gluten-free flour, so it's going to bubble away. It's going to get thickened. You have to be patient. It could take 10 to 20 minutes to do it right, but the results will be well worth it. It's getting thicker as we go. I just have to be patient. Oh, it smells incredible. Look at that. I want you to see. It's starting to thicken up. I have another 10 minutes. It's very meditative if you're into this. This is going to be incredible over lentil loaf, cauliflower potato mash, veggies, roasted veggies. I mean, anything. I'm making a bunch for my clients. I'm going to have some for myself. And this is freezable, so you can make a big batch and have incredible mushroom gravy when you need it. All right, everybody, peace out. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Chef Angelica. Peace out.